Hello, this video introduces the OpenSciEd specific extension for MakeCode as well as the simulator that comes with it. Now, you can add this extension to an existing program or to a new one. So let's create a new one. We'll just call it test. And when we open it, it looks like any other window, but we want to go to extensions. And what this is going to do, we'll search OpenSciEd and select that, is at the top of our drawers here, it will give us one that is specific to OpenSciEd. So this includes blocks that are specific to all the sensors that we use in the OpenSciEd program, as well as some other sensors. And so when we work with this, let's actually test it out. Let's put in a block for LEDs. And we're going to plot a bar graph. Let's say that we'll do this for carbon dioxide, and I'll explain why for carbon dioxide in a moment, up to, we'll say 800, which is pretty high. Now, the reason why we might want this for carbon dioxide is that this is a sensor that actually takes some time to warm up whenever you download the program or start up the microbit for the first time. Which really makes it hard to test. But with the simulator, we don't have to worry about that. Instead, what we can do is, let's filter through here. You can search or scroll down. This includes some other sensors from Forward Education besides those used in OpenSciEd. And then we can see that if we increase the carbon dioxide here, the bar graph does in fact go up. You can do this for any of the sensors as well. This is a great way for students to prototype without having to download the program every time. It also allows you to work with potentially fewer microbits because students can try their ideas here and then only test them on actual microbits once they're pretty sure they've got it right.